Alright, SP 500 is hitting this major area. Not much is going to happen for the rest of the month here, but you know, looking at next month and looking at how this week closes will tell us a lot. I mean, maybe this is finally S&P hitting its all-time high kind of thing, and not all-time high, but most previous high, most recent high, I guess. And maybe this is going to sell off and completely change trend. You know, this could be it. We'll have to wait probably another week and see how this closes, and then yeah, I'd be excited to see this sell off, because these indexes are so overpriced, especially the American ones, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ. They're so overpriced, man. I just want them to sell off, and I want the markets to operate properly, but right now they're not. So eventually they will. So we'll just see if this this decides that this is as high as it wants to go, and it wants to change directions and head low next month. So we'll just wait.